Mark your calendars and get ready because the Divi Black Friday sale is coming on November 26th. If you are familiar with our Black Friday sale, then you already know that we do Black Friday better than anyone else. We work hard to make sure that the sale is special, and there's plenty to be excited about for both the new and current Divi customers. There will be huge discounts, free prizes, amazing marketplace perks, and exclusive Divi theme builder packs and layouts that you can only get during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. To view the countdown and mark your calendars, be sure to head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday. You really want to set that calendar reminder because the moment Black Friday starts, we are going to be giving away over $1 million worth of free products from the Divi Marketplace, thanks to some very generous creators that want to support the community. But these prizes will only be available in small batches and they're going to run out very quickly. Some will surely be gone within minutes, so head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to reserve your spot and make sure you get your favorite prize. In addition to free prizes with every purchase, we will, of course, be offering our biggest discount ever on new Divi memberships and Divi lifetime upgrades. So this will be the perfect time to join the Divi community or upgrade your account. There will also be huge discounts in the Divi Marketplace, so even if you are already a Divi lifetime member, there are going to be some really great deals on other Divi products that you don't want to miss and that you can't find anywhere else. If that wasn't enough, our design team is also creating exclusive Black Friday Divi theme builder packs, including unique WooCommerce checkout templates and cart templates to celebrate our upcoming WooCommerce Builder update. These exclusive layouts and theme builder templates will only be available during the sale, so make sure you swing by and download them before they disappear. So Black Friday is coming on November 26th, but that still leaves 4 weeks before the big day. So we decided to do something fun and host a giveaway in the meantime. We are giving away a free, brand new MacBook Pro to one lucky winner. This is the new generation of MacBook Pro with that crazy fast M1 processor. Entering the giveaway is completely free, and the more raffle tickets you enter, the better chance you have to win. Just head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to participate, and don't forget to come back on Black Friday for the big day.